Hi students, let us continue our lesson, the Vedic civilization. In our last class, we studied about the features. We started to study the features of later Vedic period. Also, we completed their social organization, political organization, and the education system. That was a Gurukul education system we studied. The next topic is their economy. Economy under the later Vedic period. What was the changes? It was happened from the early Vedic period to the later Vedic period. During this period, later Vedic age, the Aryans began to lead a settled life. Actually, we studied they moved from the Indus Valley region to the Gangetic Plain. So they started settled life started to follow settled life. Wherever they reached, they started to settled life and all there. Agriculture became the most important occupation, otherwise the chief means of their livelihood. Agriculture was the main occupation. And the use of iron implements, one of the greatest thing was invented during this period, that was the use of iron implements or weapons and all, whatever used for the agricultural purpose, that is iron implements. It was helped them to increase production by using iron. Actually comparing with other metals, it become more harder and it was very powerful and all using for the agricultural purpose. It made great and increased their production. Also, besides barley, they began to cultivate wheat and rice. Barley was the main crop during that time. It was the main crop cultivated and means the agriculture, they concentrated that more barley. But after the invention and use of the iron implements, they instead of and along with that they cultivate wheat and rice. They used painted grey vessels which have been discovered at many sites in northern India. They painted grey vessels and all. It was after the discovery related as the Vedic civilization from the remains itself be collected by the historians. Also, the people specialized in arts and crafts like other occupations other than agriculture or along with agriculture. They were very specialized and skilled people were there in art and craft, such as weaving, pottery making and leather work. That such kind of occupations were followed some of the peoples. At the rise of new arts and crafts encouraged trade and commerce. Also, the end of the Vedic civilization, later Vedic age, that also saw the rise of towns. End means at the last of the later Vedic period, based on the industry and means their trade related as trade and industry. It was the towns were and means created, and those it was emerged there in some of the places at the end of the later Vedic period. So these were the changes during the later Vedic period in the field or in the way of economy. That was the changes. Next is the religious features of the later Vedic period. The gods of the early Vedic age lost their importance. We studied Rudra, Indra, like that way. Those gods lost their importance during the later Vedic age, and during that space the three most significant gods it was emerged during the believed the worship to start. The three most important gods like as Brahma, believing as the creator and Vishnu the preserver, and also Maheshwara, otherwise Shiva, God or Lord Shiva the destroyer. Like that way the trios, they started to worship the trios. Once again listen, Brahma the creator, Vishnu the preserver and Maheshwara, otherwise Shiva, both are same name of one god, and also the destroyer. They believed the three gods or the trios. During this period, the mode of worship it was changed, and how it was through prayers and also continued to be recited. Sacrifices became far more important. We studied Yajna, Yaga and all in the early Vedic period. Like that way, here also it was the prayers, the sacrifices became more important, and these sacrifices had to be accompanied by a number of elaborate rituals. It was which could be performed by the Brahmins Brahmin priests only. We studied in the later Vedic period, Brahmins, they were occupied highest position in the society because of the priests have enough means power is there in the society. That's why. So remember, these are the religious changes. Mainly concentrate the three most important gods that become more powerful rather than the early Vedic period. So concentrate these points. After watching the video, read the textbook. Okay, thank you.